Hi, my name is Maggie Gaddis. I'm a PhD student in education at the University of the Rockies with Dr. Kim Fontex. Over 10 years ago, I received my master's in biology from the University of Denver with Dr. Anna Scher and Sigma Xi funding. I studied the restoration of Russian olive-infested lands. Since receiving my degree, however, I've spent the majority of my time training volunteers and college students to collect my data. This is called citizen science. In 2009, federal funding for the public participation in scientific research resulted in a flurry of publications that first initiated citizen science projects and then revealed that land managers and scientists do not trust the data collected by citizen scientists. Therefore, my dissertation seeks to address this issue by beginning to connect training with data reliability. In this observational study, I will query the citSci.org database. citSci.org is a data management tool for citizen science programs. This qualitative comparative multiple case study will investigate themes in content, instructional design, theoretical alignment, and perceived efficacy of citizen science training programs designed for volunteers tasked with collecting ecological data in the field. This research will hopefully inform my field by starting the conversation of developing a theory of citizen science training. In this sequential investigation, I will first identify my cases. I have just today received IRB approval, and therefore I will be starting this process during the research competition with Sigma Xi. I will then analyze the training documents I receive. From this document analysis, I will develop codes for my case study database. Then in sequence, I will release a survey and semi-structured interviews to triangulate my data and increase my data reliability. Although these are qualitative methods and they are education research methods, I feel confident that this is the largest impact I can have on my field of restoration ecology. Without volunteers who care so very much about the lands that we do research on, we would not be able to do as much science as we do. I hope you enjoy my Sigma Xi student research showcase, and I really look forward to communicating with you in the next few weeks. Thanks.